welcome back to All Logan, and today I have just been to Asda's and Smith's and got all this. Oh, and this bike which is covered by the 1971 Porsche 911. And I've also got Emmett over here to look over us. And this is the bag which I brought all this with. But anyway, let's get to this. These two will be in two separate videos, so I'll put these to the side. Now I'll start off with this old 442W/30. It's literally like a Dodge Dart, but a monster truckified, if you know what I mean. So that is it. It's got a nice matte finish to it. And that's it out of the box. So you've got dirt on the side just to make it more realistic. So now we will do the Lucid Air.
Is that from the electric range?
Yeah, it's from the HW Green Speed. So this is the Lucid Air. It's giving me the vibes about the Tesla Roadster a little.
Yeah, I suppose, yeah, a little.
I'll put that next to the Dodge Dart. So this one is the Nissan Z Proto. First of all, it said Pronto. And it's also yellow, my favourite colour. This one isn't making it easy for me. So this is the Nissan Z Pronto. This one has only just been released because it says that it's factory fresh. So I'll put that there. And now there is the Cockney Cab 2. So we call them Hackney carriages, but the Americans call them Cockney cabs, which stands for London Taxi, this is based off. So this is the Cockney Cab 2. It's like a dragster and a London Taxi mixed together.
Well, that'll get you to your destination quick, won't it?
Mm-hmm.
Might be a bit loud, though.
Mm. Plus the engines are coming out the back,
yeah.
So it might be a little hard. But yeah, this is the Cockney Cab 2. Next up, we will be doing the 1971 Porsche 11.
911.
Yes. I don't know why I said that. I'll just put this to the side right now. I have to put the camera like that because it's literally just floating away. So this is a Porsche 911. I have got another one of these in Golf. But yeah, it's quite a cool car. It's got hair out the back of it.
It's got a hair out the back?
Yeah. It's gone now. But yeah, this is the...
Is that an added extra?
So now we have the GMC Hummer EV.
Is that from your electric range as well then?
Yep. There's the Hummer. I'll put them out the front. Okay. Now I will do the BMW R9T Racer. So motorbike. Well, that came off quickly. Thank you.
Does that have
for
a stand or
making
anything with it?
No. I don't think that the motorbikes come with a stand. But yeah, this is the bike.
Is that your second bike now you've got into?
Vroom, vroom. Okay, this one has to be lent.
But you have to wedge it between two.
Yeah. So now we have the Porsche 935 sponsoring. Not this video is sponsoring, but the car is sponsoring Goodyear on it. The car is Goodyear.
Oh yeah.
But yeah. So there's the Porsche 935.
What range is this from then?
This is from the new range, Retro Racers.
Retro Racers?
I think I have another Retro Racers, and it was the... I forgot the name. But it's like this half Jaguar type, half Lotus Esprit. Like, yeah, it's like got like the front of that, the back is a Jaguar type. But next up is the Lotus Sport Ellipse. Why don't they just call it Eclipse? Like, it makes more sense instead of saying Ellipse. So this is the car. It's quite cool. And that's them all.
That's all your Hot Wheels. So what Lego did you get?
So I got the Speed Champions. It's a 1970 Ferrari 512M.
Oh, 512.
So that's it in Lego form, and that's it in real life. And then there is the first Batman set, which I have. This is my dream Lego set, but now I finally got it. It is the Batman versus the Joker Batmobile chase. I
Cool.
quite like this one. Also, do you know which won't be hard to build?
Which one?
It'll be that one.
That'll be the hardest one, will it?
But do you know which won't be hard?
What?
Clicking that like and subscribe button, which are both down below, and the notification bell. Bye!